to vlog because it's something different, you know? So people know that we offer lots of services.
Right.
All right, guys, so we got this 2019 Dodge Durango in. We are a full service shop here. We don't just do lifted sharks. A lot of people think that's all we specialize in. We do everything here, from maintenance, oil changes, brakes, tires, everything. So right now we are doing an oil change and tire rotation on this Dodge Durango today. This oil, I'm not kidding you. It's hot. Where the fuck is the oil filter? You know where the oil filter is, right? It's not underneath the car. Oh, found it.
What in the world is going on?
All right, guys, so we have this new Super Duty that just came in today, and we're going to be installing cab lights on this truck. We got this recon kit. I believe that they sell two types of kits. One is the OEM replacement. This is for if you want to drill into your cab. It's a bit time consuming and you want to make sure everything is perfect. We are going to get the OEM measurements off of this truck and then incorporate that into that truck. We'll kind of get everything marked up, make sure it looks good, and then we'll start drilling through a brand new truck. All right, who's ready for the test?
Let's test them.
Are they on?
Nothing's on. The running lights are on, but the cab lights are not on.
All right, guys, so we just wrapped up this cab light install. Everything's looking super good, super clean, professional. And we just got them hooked up to the running lights. Let's see if the running lights turn on. Boom, there they are. Started working on this 2019, I believe it's a 19 Raptor. I think this is the Avalanche Gray, I might be mistaken. Either way, this color is by far my favorite Ford color. I would take a Super Duty and paint it this color, that'd be sick. So we are doing the Ready Lift, I believe it's a 3.5 inch kit. So we're gonna take apart these struts, put in this preload spacer, and then also a strut spacer that goes on the top. So if you guys are doing this at home, make sure it's very safe. Because this could definitely kill you. So we're gonna just pop this off. So what we are gonna do here, we've got this broken loose, so we're gonna take this apart. Okay, there we go. Then this goes back onto the spring, like so. And then we got our lines marked. Now we're gonna take this, which is called a top hat, and take our preload spacer. Boom, just like so. Then we're gonna put our spring back in here. And they say you want it to move 180 degrees. So our mark is right here. When we compress it, it's gonna straighten this out. So it's a little crooked right now. And I just built ourselves a nice little strut there. If this was our time to film, is now.
Why?
Because it's getting, this one's really getting sketchy for some reason.
not safe.
I know it's not safe.
It's the new television. Been the one since the fetus. Don't sleep on me, Tempur-Pedic. That's a no, no, no. Spending dope for no reason. Got a bald head, Mr. Cleaner. Heard the big bags overseas, then we gon' go, go, go. Whoa, I press the button and the doors go off like, whoa. That money clip us now, the new now looks like, whoa. Upgrade her diamonds, now her girlfriends are like, whoa, 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 whoa. I press the button and the doors go off like, whoa. That money clip us now, the new now looks like, whoa. Upgrade her diamonds, now her girlfriends are like, whoa, 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 whoa.
All right, guys, we just finished up this 2.5-inch leveling system on this pickup truck with the strut spacer and the strut preload spring. We were able to fit a 37 1250 on the factory wheel, fully complete on flat ground, doesn't rub. I'm sure off-roading you might have a little bit of rubbing, but we just finished it up, looking sick.